Hello YouTube, this is Alan again bringing you a box break. Today the brand new 2015-16 Panini Court Kings just arrived, and I have a couple of boxes. So we're gonna go ahead and bust these and see how we do. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right. Now this is a, compared to other products, is pretty inexpensive. One pack. You also get a box topper, and I believe you get like 2 hits, one autograph, one relic or jersey. I've seen some boxes, well, last year's anyways, where they had 2 autographs and 1 jersey, or 1 autograph, 2 jerseys, so like 3 hits. So I think overall in the case, there's a few boxes that will have 3 hits instead of 2. So let's see. This one says 10 cards per box. Look for 6 different styles of rookies. All right, so open her up. There's the box topper and the pack. So I believe the same look as last year's. Let's go ahead and open up the box topper first. See what we get. All right, we have a nice one of Derrick Rose. Pretty cool. So it's nice, and that's the front. There's the back. All right. So we got Derrick Rose. All right, and let's go ahead and get to the pack itself. All right, let's see how we do. Interesting. Okay. All right, so our base, Victor Oladipo, not numbered. Kevin Garnett, not numbered. Okay, we have a Jared Sullinger, not numbered. Next we have Kevin Love. Not numbered. Okay, next we have a rookie of Frank Kaminsky. All right. Next we have a seems to be maybe an insert swagger, Kyrie Irving. Pretty cool. Kyrie's got some swagger. All right, we have our fresh paint rookie autograph on card of Rashad Vaughn for the Bucks. Let's see, he was round 1. He was drafted round 1, 17th overall. All right. Then we have a jumbo jersey rookie of Jahlil Okafor, numbered to 299. And we have rookie of Terry Rozier for the Celtics. And last but not least, we have a rookie of Sam Decker. All right. So that's box one. I'm going to go ahead and come back for a second video of box number two. Thanks.